So, Perrodin, the project specialist, this morning's project, I got a text at 3 a.m. From my tenant here. I got great tenants in this side-by-side unit, and it's about 2 hours, 10 minutes away from our home up in Tomahawk. I'm actually in Weston, and the chain popped off the garage door opener when he was going to work this morning. So what we're going to do is, first of all, I'm going to get the ladder in here. I'm going to put the garage door manually down. You just pull this lever and it will release it. And then what I want, these chains are set. The chain came off the sprocket. The chains are set to work at a certain distance, so I've got to get the garage door control module up here into the down position and the garage door down, put the chain back on, and then it should work accordingly. So that's this morning's project.